Hello, today I'm gonna teach you how to find out if you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password. First of all, you will need to open your command prompt for this task. Once you open it, please type this code. Now you need to enter your connection name. In order to get the connection name, you have to check your connectivity status bar. And this is my connection name. I will type it here. And after that, you have to type key equals clear. Now press enter button. And here on the key content area, you can see your Wi-Fi password. Hope this video helped you to sort out your matter. Don't forget to subscribe and use the comment section for further problems. I'll see you next time.